Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Rae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. I gave myself a little head start, did my eyebrows for my lips. So let's get started. So on today's eyes, I'm going to be using the 35 Bronze Goals palette for today's look. Okay, next color is going to be this color right here. So eye look today is going to be very simple, but very fun. Let's just go ahead and get started with an M441 brush. So it is just a fluffy brush. I am not picky with fluffy brushes, but this is the one that was in hand and cleaned. What is your favorite fluffy brush? Comment down below your favorite fluffy brush. My favorite one that I always, but it's dirty right now, so I didn't grab it. It actually has a dark color on it. So it is from Wet n Wild. It's one of their fluffy brushes, and oh my god, like, it is so good. That's one of my favorite ones. Okay, next color is going to be this color right here. So who is excited about the giveaway? I am. I'm so excited about the giveaway. You guys deserve it because you guys support me and watch my videos and comment. I love it when you guys comment on my videos. So are you guys ready to hear how to enter? So on this video is a special video because this is the video that I'm going to be announcing the giveaway. So you are watching like at the perfect time. So this is how you enter the giveaway. One, you have to leave a comment down below. You don't even mention the giveaway on the comments down below. Don't mention the giveaway. Talk about something else. Talk about makeup. Talk about something, a memory, something about you. Have a conversation with me. Make it real. Like I want you guys to engage in the comments. Of course, you must be subscribed to my channel. And then third, you have to give this video a thumbs up. And I know the ones who always engage, I always see you. I see you. I see who the ones are engaging. So this is for you because you are always supporting my channel and just always there for me. Always there for me no matter what. Okay, so the winner of the giveaway is going to be chosen by a comment generator. So those who comment, like when you comment on this video, I go to like a website, like a comment generator, and it'll automatically like get whoever's commented on this video, and then a winner is chosen by there. Okay, so make sure you comment. Don't just be a subscriber and like the video, because then you're not going to, your entry won't be valid. Like, it has to have all three, like the subscriber, the like on the video, and a comment on the video. Okay, so I hope that's not too difficult for you guys, but that's how you're gonna win. Okay, so every month there'll be a giveaway. Every month you'll have a chance, and this is the video to do that. So good luck to everyone, and I really just want to do this for you guys. I'm gonna see if this works. If it doesn't, I'll try something else. So like, I wanted to play with this blue eyeliner, but let's see, I don't even know how well it's gonna go on. But I didn't buy, I forgot to buy the I forgot to buy the pod, the liquid pod thing. So I'm like really trying to make this work. If anything, I'll get some blue eyeshadow and put it over or something. I'm getting some blue eyeshadow and just like packing it on top. I'm just making sure. I know this look is very different, huh? But it is the end of summer, and I thought we can use blue eyeliner instead of black and like a copper look, you know what I mean? I'm just like smudging, I'm just smudging some brown underneath here, so it doesn't look crazy, like that crazy, you know what I mean? Okay. So let me just put on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? So for my lips today, I used Super Stay by Maybelline. So this is the color that I'm wearing, and the color is Artist. This is the color that I used. It's called Artist on my lips. So if you guys were wondering what color I use, that's the color Artist in 120 by Maybelline. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys create this look, have fun. I really hope you guys liked my little promo video. So to all my subscribers, don't forget to enter the giveaway for a chance to win the hashtag Jasmine Rae giveaway. I hope you guys participate and enter in this giveaway. It's super simple. You already know the rules. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! It's only one entry per giveaway. Okay, I'm going to be giving you, no. In today's video, no. So then I will announce. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.